Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna review Monzo Flex credit card. If you're looking for a flexible way to pay, let's talk about Monzo Flex, a modern credit option built for convenience and control. Monzo Flex lets you split purchases into 3, 6 or 12 monthly payments. And the best part, the 3-month plan is completely interest-free. That means you can buy now and spread the cost without paying a penny more, which is perfect for managing cash flow. There are no account fees and no foreign transaction fees, so you can use it at home or abroad without worrying about hidden charges. Every purchase over £100 is covered by Section 75 protection, meaning if something goes wrong, like a cancelled trip or a faulty item, you can get your money back. Managing your payments is super easy in the Monzo application. You can change your repayment plan, make early payments, or see what's coming up all from your phone. Your activity is also reported to credit agencies, so responsible use could help you build your credit score over time. Monzo Flex has earned high praise, with a 4.96 out of 5 rating from thousands of users, and even won the 2025 Customer Satisfaction Award for credit cards. In short, Monzo Flex offers flexibility, transparency, and control, making it a great option for everyone who wants smarter ways to manage spending. If you enjoyed the video, please tell me in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.